biryani rice, paneer. So we need red chili powder, garam masala and dhania powder. Onions which are cut straight, thin onions. Green peas, carrots, potatoes, beans, some soya chunks, okay, some ginger garlic paste, green chilies, curd and some pudina, mint leaves. This is shajira. This is all biryani masala spices. Heat oil in a pan. This is to fry onions. Add onions. Fry onions till it becomes golden brown. So till golden brown, just fry the onions and just keep it aside. Cut the paneer into cubes. Okay, I'm just a little bit frying the paneer pieces on a flat pan. Take a thick bottom vessel. Add the vegetables. Add pudina. Add green chilies. Add the paneer cubes. Add fried onions. Just little. Take this biryani masala and just add it. Take this shajira and add red chili. Add garam masala. Add dhania. Add salt to taste, lemon juice and some ginger garlic paste and a spoon of ghee and some oil. This oil is leftover oil that we used for onions. Now just mix it with hand. So that all the masala is added to the vegetables and paneer. They are all coated well. Now add some curd. And just mix well. So just put this in refrigerator for half an hour. Soak basmati rice for half an hour. Just cook this on stove like for 7 minutes. Close the lid and cook it for like 7 minutes. So in another stove we have taken basmati rice. Just put it on stove. Add little salt, very little. Add the biryani masala. These are the items, I'm just adding it. And little bit shajira. Cook it until 60% of the rice is cooked. The rice is being cooked. Okay, when the rice is 60% cooked, add the first layer. This is the first layer of 60% cooked rice. When it is 80% cooked, add the second layer, the last layer. Add food color. Add the remaining fried onions, and you can even garnish with pudina rice. I'm just putting some tissue papers so that it can be thumbed correctly. The third layer. Sprinkle some water on top of it, little water. Close the lid and cook on medium flame for 10 minutes and another 6 minutes on slow flame. Let's see if the biryani is cooked. Yes, it's very colorful. So you can see the rice and vegetables are well cooked. Serve it in a hot plate with raita and some vegetable masala or mirchi ka salan. Vegetable paneer dum biryani is ready. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoy the recipe.